Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I will tell you that how you can use chat GPT on your mobile phone. So because there is no official app for this chat GPT, but you can open up your browser here, and you will type here like OpenAI, and then you will click on this website. You will open up the first link, and then you will click on the try option on the top. Here it says try chat GPT. You will click on try, and that's it. Because my account is logged in, so it opens up the account, and you can see that their web page is also mobile friendly. So you can now ask questions from him like uh, what is the most popular person in the world right now, and it should gives you the answer just like on the PC. So that's how you can use chat GPT on your phone. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.